Jump.
Go.
I'm trying to push his butt. Go.
He might bite you.
That's all right.
Did he bite you?
Go. Go. No.
Oh no. Oh jeez.
Oh, he's under the car. Okay.
That's not good.
And back in the shop. And this time it's Camaro time. Whew, we got a lot of work to do. So this is what we're up against. I've been in here for a little bit now. I just finally got the Camaro rolled back into the garage. And I got the door off, got the window out. And man, those windows are such a pain to get out. They're all like riveted right to the track. You can't really get the track out, so I just ground the rivets off and we'll sort that out when we come to it. But yeah, I've got the bolts off the door, just holding it on there. And I'll start tidying. I gotta do the other one. But we got work to do, you know. It looks bad. I know it looks bad, but well, you know, we can sort that. That'll be fine. Bit of work down there. Something. We gotta, you know, I don't know if I'm gonna cut that out and do a fuel cell yet. Something like that. It's just, right now, I just need to get it down to, you know, as bare as I can get the frame and the chassis, just so we can really start building from the ground up. But let's get that other door off. So we're on the inside here. Basically with the other one, I just took off all these little 10 mil bolts just because it won't come out of the, like won't raise up at all without removing those. And I ground the rivets off the motor as well, because it's a power window one. But just get all these little guys. And there's lots. Start falling down anyway. And that one there. I was gonna put my bolts on the floor, but obviously it's not really gonna work there. Over there. Yeah, alright, I'm gonna get to work here. Alright, we got a bunch of those out. So those are little rivets that hold the, you really see in there. But there's like, what, two of them back here and one of them up there. And they gotta come out for the glass to come out. So that's where that comes in. Let's get after it. Kind of need 2 hands for this. All right, glass is all out. And I'm just taking out the last couple bolts on the door. Top ones are all gone. There's one, like there's two on the inside there that's gotta come out. And then that door will come off. And there we go. Door's out. I don't know if I showed you guys, we got the windshield out as well. Just ended up using a couple pieces of actual stainless safety wire and ran it around. All that stuff is pretty crap, but while it looks bad from here, I think it's pretty solid under that. So we'll tidy that up. It needed a new windshield anyway. But yeah, that stuff should tidy up pretty good. So I forgot that I have the headliner in it. And, oh God, disgusting. Just yuck. I don't even know what to say about that. I guess it's not that bad. But, like, there's no holes in the roof, and it's not like one of the T-top ones, so it didn't really get a lot of water in through there, but yuck. I'll take the flap disc up there. That's fine. I'll get those seat belts out. That can go right in the trash. Well, I just spent some time underneath getting the exhaust out. Had to cut it into a couple pieces. Muffler, stock muffler, I guess. I don't know if that's stock or not. And all the head pipe stuff. So, that was fun. All right, well, we're making some progress. We got it up on stands, a little higher now. Taillights out. We're gonna get this bumper off. I got all of the little pins out of the top, there's some in the bottom, and then on the inside there's a couple of bolts on either side. I think it was just the bottom ones were stuck on the inside. That one, I think, will come out now. And on that side, maybe. Oh, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Easy now. Easy. Yuck. Those out of the way. Got some bulbs on those. Is that bad? Should I be concerned that there's mice in here? There might still be mice in here. Mice. You in there? Might have to evict a mouse. Unless it's already in here somewhere. Oh God. So I've got myself in a bit of a predicament. So I'm underneath, obviously, and this bar is basically the bumper. And those are like the carriage bolt. So it's got like the little flat piece on the inside of it, or like the square piece on the inside of it that's supposed to be captured by the bumper part, but obviously you can't spin that off because it just spins there. And I mean, these ones are easy. I can cut those ones, but there's two more that are way up in there. And I don't really know how I'm gonna cut those off. I could cut the whole bumper apart and just build a new one. But that sucks. I don't know how I'm gonna get in there. Gonna take some thought, I think. Well, I removed the mouse nest. And what did we find?
We found a friend.
So we've got a bucket, and we're gonna try and get him into this bucket. Yeah, in there. I don't know how this is gonna work. You can't get him by the tail.
Well, it's right there. But I'm afraid the dog would, like, scoop him right up.
Like a little treat. All right, well, we gotta come up with a solution somehow. Yeah, I suppose you could kind of.
I don't know if you, is the screwdriver there for a reason?
I don't think.
It looks like it's holding this.
No, if you put that up all the way, that's fine. If I can't really. Which way you want to get him to come out? This way?
Well, I don't know. He'll probably take the path of least resistance.
So he can't get through there, as long as he doesn't jump Come on, dude. Don't poke him, please.
No, I'm not.
Just ready for it to come full speed at your face.
One little guy.
Kato, get out of the way. Get out of there. Oh.
Come on.
Can't quite reach him from there. Which way is he going?
This, like, this side.
He might come up.
Yeah, he might.
Those two big ones. He's coming.
I just don't want to hurt him. Come on, little guy. Come on.
Uh-oh. 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 Kato.
He's not in there. Come on, dude.
He's not really going to want to go in there, is he?
No, he's not.
Is there a spot on that side?
Yeah, I
Can we?
he knows. Oh, he's facing towards you now.
He's coming. Here we go. Jump.
Go, little guy.
Jump. Jump. Jump.
Go.
I'm trying to push his butt. Go.
He
Go.
might bite you.
That's all right.
Did he bite you?
Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. No.
Oh, no. Oh, jeez.
Oh, he's under the car. Okay.
That's not good.
Now what? Well, I guess that kind of went bad. Because now he's in here somewhere.
Somewhere.
Well, we looked and looked and looked and couldn't find him, so sorry, fella. Well, we're in time. And yeah, don't mind that. I've got most of the bolts either loose or out. And I I cut that brake hose because it was pretty crusty anyway. Disconnected the original parking brake. And I cut just the sway bar links. I didn't even bother with those. So I should be ready to come down a little bit. Well, I guess I gotta take the bars off. Time to get those out. Hang on. Alright, well, I got the arms off. Those guys at the back. I got the bar off. Don't suppose it's supposed to be like that? Is that bad? Don't imagine, eh? Well, yeah, so bars are off there. And should be pretty good to bring her down. All right, cool. Holy. Okay. Well, it's down. If I can drag her back. I'm hooked on the control arm. Hang on. Very valuable tool for around the shop. And out. Well, I think we got her down to just pretty much a bare shell now. All the stuff's out of there. Just got a hell of a mess to clean up, and then we can start cutting. I need to do the rad support just at the bottom there. Actually, I'll take those engine mounts out, but then into that Swiss cheese there. Probably a bit of the stuff on the where the battery would have sat. Into the floors. Bit of work to do, but first I got to get all this crap cleaned up. Well, I think that's probably it for this one. We got her cleaned up. We can actually see what kind of work we got to do. You know, the more I look at that, that's not an original floor pan. I think because you can see where it's indented there, and then it's all pushed out there. So that's out of something else. I think I'm probably gonna leave that and just tidy it up a little bit. You know, the idea here is not to restore it to perfect, you know, quality. We're not going for no Barrett Jackson stuff. You know, I want it to be very usable, and if I, you know, wrinkle it up somehow, you know, doing hooligan stuff, then I'm not going to be too upset about it. But bit of work. I think we'll start cutting on the next one. Thanks for watching.